we continue with maintenance, scheduled maintenance on my 2014 Volkswagen Passat TDI, and in this video I will show how I changed the fuel filter. So what we will need is the fuel filter. I got it from the dealership. It's not cost that much, okay? Just if you like your VW, you would spend that money. It's not cost much. We'll need empty container. We need screwdriver, star, some gloves, paper towels, and also a rag to put around the canister. So that's the fuel filter. There is a cartridge that sits inside the canister. So what I like to do is put the dirty rag around, because no matter how good you are, you may have some spill. Okay, we'll put gloves. First thing to do is unscrew these 5 bolts. Okay, slowly try to wiggle and remove the top. Okay, quite often, okay, when you take it out, it spills. Okay, I have a bungee cord right here, so I can hook it up to keep it away. I'll get your empty container and slowly, I may need to grab the screwdriver to help. Okay, let it drip a bit. Just keep it about, yeah, just let it go. At least that's the way I do it. Okay, some people remove everything and suck out all the diesel fuel and clean out the canister itself. But then you need to have the diesel fuel, okay, to fill it. Okay, you can pick in. So as you can see, okay, there's almost nothing in the canister. Okay, there is no debris, so we don't have to clean out anything. Okay, so that's the new filter. Make sure, okay, that no debris gets inside this middle hole. That's the clean side. Okay, so the diesel fuel comes from the outside, gets through the filter, and comes out. The clean one comes out and goes to the engine. So make sure this opening is closed when you install it again, and no dirty fuel gets in. So slowly you put in and let the filter soak in. Again, you do it slowly so you don't spill anything. Let it soak in. Okay, the ideally would be if we had some fuel in here, the diesel fuel right on top. Okay, just make sure that central hole is covered. So you don't want any dirty fuel gets in that middle hole. Okay, yeah, we're good. Okay, so the next step is close the lid, and again you do it slowly. Make sure this part gets in the hole. This part done. You install the screws, and you just follow the pattern on, like you do that on the wheel, like when you're changing your wheels. I just put it with my fingers and then use the screwdriver. Yeah, by the way, all the materials, the filter, yeah, filter I got from the dealership. And you don't tie too much right away. I just make it just a little bit everywhere, like I skip one, tie a bit, okay, skip one, another one, and the last one. Okay, and then you try to tighten it up. Just make sure it's like nice and snug. Don't have to overkill it, just a few. If there is any leak, you can tie it up more. Okay, you tighten it up, skipping one. Follow the pattern. Just hand tight. And I check again, just a little bit more. Check again everything. Okay, so the next step is start it up. And again, if the canister was empty when we installed the new filter and the canister was empty, that would take a lot of cranking for the engine to start, because it has to prime. You need to prime the filter. Okay, let's take this away. Start your engines. See, it was the full canister. Didn't take much to start the engine. It was like my regular start. Couple of turns, and it goes. So yeah, that's 2014 Volkswagen Passat TDI the fuel filter change. If you like what you saw, please consider to subscribe and hit the bell button for the next video. Thanks for watching.